right there. So we're at 30. Gotta close above these highs up here. Gotta close above that. Close down here. Might be on our way down, actually. Yeah, 15-minute chart, we're looking weak. Nasdaq 1 hour looks weak as well. I think. Nothing looks very good. Give it some time. I want to see it close above here. And we're going to move upwards towards 160. Watch out for these levels here. Yeah, that's what I was worried about. We have a very nice fall downwards. We'll see if everybody gap build up down here. It looks good so far. Gap forming on the E-mini as well. 1C 5,100. Take it. Let's see here. And we're gonna take out these levels down here. This is what I'm concerned about right there. This is gonna be the target down here. 37 seems like could be a good area. 17,980 would be good. 970 would be a good area down here as well. Put it over here. I don't know why I like doing that. I just do. As we're definitely falling down. Kind of ugly looking. Not liking the way the inverse over there. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. We had an imbalance on the 1 minute chart. I missed it. It's on the it's not on. No, it's like it's on, yes. We're not seeing anything on the 5 minute. Oh, we are. We have this giant area right here. We have to see, like, we have to see something either break above or break below because we're kind of in the middle here. If this green bar was not there, then I'd be in for a short onto here. But we didn't do it. ES is at a new high. On the 1 minute, 15 minutes still looks poor. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have a fair value gap built up in the next few minutes. Probably closer to 8:30. No reason why I should be in a trade right now. It's kind of annoying. Because I want to trade every day, right? Multiple times every day. We can't do that, can we? The idea is here at 7:30, the previous swing high has to be violated in order for it to go up, and the swing low is violated, which means we're going to go down. And from what I'm looking at, that's exactly what's going to happen. So we're looking at this. See, we didn't make another swing low, which is concerning to me. That's telling me that we're kind of consolidating. I don't like the sound of that. See a giant push down. At least anticipating for 8:30. We'll probably consolidate until then. Still around opening price. We got a doji on the day candle. This is the day candle. Daily chart. I mean, I think we're going to go upwards. We went inside of here. Balanced it out. Now we're on our way up. Looking at the 5-minute chart. There's nothing really here. Shows me like unless we fall down to here 920, but I doubt it. Come back down here, but what are the odds of that? You know what I mean? I don't know exactly where liquidity levels are going to be swept. I don't have the most experience in that. minute chart is suggesting shorts. Just balance some stuff out there. We had an inverse fair value gap in there from previous days PM trading session. We're just gonna go sideways until 8:30. I'm not liking this at all. This looks terrible. Only thing that looks good is the 50-minute chart. All other time frames looks terrible. Even on the ES looks bad, except for the 15-minute. Daily chart. I'm sorry, 1 hour. I don't know, man. This doesn't look good. Not liking it. I have to wait until 8:30. 8:30, the proof. I'm sorry, the truth will prevail at 8:30. Pushing up a little bit. It's okay. $7.30. Equal lows, or I'm sorry, equal highs, relative equal highs. I'm anticipating, if we're gonna go up today, I'm anticipating that the 8:30, where did we come from? 8:30 is going to break above these equal highs, come back down, form a fair value gap, get in, go long. Something is telling me, I keep the crosshairs on. The reason I turn the crosshairs off was because it doesn't look very good. Especially whenever it's like sitting up here. Like you look at this crosshair up there, it doesn't look very good. But anyway, right there for a long, and it's gonna come up here, go forward, and I think this is OTE right here. We'll see where price falls down at. But I think down here was OTE for sure. New high on ES. That's good. Yeah, I'm seeing ES build up on the 15-minute chart to overtake the previous swing high. With a 15-minute chart here. Yeah, same thing on NASDAQ. Check out the YM. YM looks weak. But overall, I think we're headed upwards. 15-minute chart on ES looks great. We just fell down on YM for some reason. But anyway, yeah, huge gap up, huge run, very nice. Huge gap on ES. Oh my. Go look at ES. Oops. Look at this. Ready? Oh, what's this indicator here? I don't know what's going on. I don't know what this is. Why do I have an indicator? Get out of here. I don't know why I have that. Look at this. What? ESH4. Am I stupid or is this what it shows? Look, it's gaps right there. I guess I'm missing something. Anyway, let's get out of here. So we have this opportunity here. I'm looking for one opportunity within this area. Somewhere in there. I would say probably here. Yeah, my risk. I put 5 here as well. 5 here, throw 5 there. That's 12. That's 12 points though. I have a lot of room. On 12 points. I gotta tell you, I got a lot of room. If we get down here, that'd be great. But I wouldn't be surprised if we didn't. We gotta break above these highs though up here. Yeah, you gotta smack back down quick. I'll throw a 5 here, and we'll get rid of that and see what the difference is. It's around 32 points. You have 32 points difference. 32 multiplied by 2, 64. I could just set down on top of my head. 500 divided by 64. 7.8 contracts. We have 2 of wiggle room. So you can see what we can do here. Could have missed it. I'm not sure yet because we're still looking kind of weak. So we can do another 2 points. Probably down there somewhere. If we get it. Put the 2 probably in the same area just to average out a lower risk. I want to get inside of here somewhere potentially. Not closing up there. ES looks weak. We are not making a new high on ES either. YM we look kind of weak as well. We might come back down a little bit. $50-minute on YM we did not close above either. 15-minute chart we did. Orders are put in optimal places, I would say. YS is not in favor. Where's this area? Where's 500 at? It's all the way down there. Holy. Okay, let's do some. Once this gets filled, we gotta do some math. So let's get on 7. We're not making new highs. This is alarming to me. Not looking too good. We are at all-time highs, so keep that in mind. Can't tell me it's not perfect, dude. Probably put our 2 up there. Like that. Okay. Probably get an average fill of like 102.25, probably. We're not making new highs. This is alarming. This is getting very alarming to me. We have to make new highs. We have to push up. If not, I have to get out. Do some math here. Got an average fill of 104. Risk has to be down here, I'd say. 476. That's 104 right now. No, 102. 102 ups. 26. We have 26-point risk. We're moving upwards. It looks like we're moving upwards, so that's good. I hope it stays that way. ES, I'm not sure. We're gonna have to see in the next few minutes. Oh, buddy. Oh man. I don't know what to think about that. I might go ahead and exit. I did not anticipate this happening. Let's slow this down. I don't know why this happened. I don't know what to do. Excel 7, I guess. Here, it's fine. Oh, that means it's gonna be 7 now, so we gotta do 5. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Fuck it. I'm leaving. I don't like. Dude, the gap up was crazy. I'm not playing that game, dude. Holy cow. 354 though. I'll take it. Totally. Why did we gap up? It's random. 9 a.m. What happened at 9 a.m. on this day? I gotta see. What can I do? Financial juice. Can we do a financial juicer for March 1st? This is March, right? I believe this is March 1st. Yeah. Can we do a financial juicer for March 1st? We probably do it on Forex Factory, right? Yeah. Yeah, we can. Alright, so we're at March. That's April. March 1st. Date range. Apply settings. Yes, okay, so at 9 a.m. they had nothing. It just gapped up. 10 a.m. we have ISM manufacturing PMI. And consumer sentiment. So I think we can still trade to this day. But I'm just a bit concerned about I'm just a bit concerned about trading because that giant thing happened. So I'm up 433. Somehow it only shows here as 345. So why is that? Can I do one of these things? Positions. See what happened. Yeah, 442.5. This gave me different numbers. We're gonna go with the least number. 442.5 is the lowest number because those actually make sense. I never really listened to this. Oh right, because it only gives me one of them wasn't accurate, so it didn't account for one. So we're definitely up 442.5. That's accurate. That's truth. That's the amount. 442.5. Okay, we're good. 442.5 is where we're at. We'll leave the however much this amount is. We're not gonna take that into account because if we take into account commissions, where's it at? Yeah, so you see, gross P&L is what I take home is 442.5. So that's what we're gonna incorporate. We're not gonna take. We keep gapping up. Is this supposed to be like that? Just give me that bullshit. Tell me that it's. Why? What is this gap? You know what I mean? Where does this gap come from? Because if I go over here, put me on a 1 minute. There's no gap. You know what I mean? What is happening? Market replay, dude. No. Yeah, we're just gonna leave it alone. This is all we have, so we're gonna make the most of it. We keep gapping up. It'll correct itself. I'm not worried about it. At least I hope it will. All right, so we had CPI at 5 a.m. Don't care about that. We have CPI on Monday at 2:30 a.m. What time zone is this? I imagine it's accurate. It's New York local time or Central time. Because I'm in Central. I would imagine that this is in New York, no? Or is it altered to mine? Consumer confidence, what is that? For Japan? Look at the daily chart, dude. I knew this was gonna happen. I literally called it, dude. We're gonna go up. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Nice. We're pushing new highs. Very nice. The reason why I thought we were gonna do it was we had a doji right here, right? We had a doji right on the highs, and we already came down here and cleared that out. We already did the accumulation phase of PO3, right? So we already took care of that. And as you're looking here, right, we had this. Did not go lower than that. If we had days like if we're climbing lower and lower and lower, then yeah, we're in a low trend. But we had the fair value gap in here, balanced it out, and then now we're on the way up. Now my biggest concern was always this, right? If we're this part is not balanced out though. You see what I'm saying? I guess it didn't need to get balanced out because this balanced it out. I'm not too sure exactly. I don't know exactly how it works. I'm not a market maker and I'm not ICT, so I don't know exactly how that works. But all I know is that it is balanced because we're not going back into there. So that's all I really care about. ES did the same little jump skip thing. YM did not jump. That's surprising. So we're looking good on YM. Looks like if we make a new high on YM, it's had a bit of equal highs right there, 90,030. So we should be good. ES on the way up making new highs, going for the highest of the day. I am waiting for this to get balanced out, this area here. Waiting for this area here to get balanced out. I cannot wait for that. And we're already balanced out, so I'm not too worried about it. But I'm worried about, I'm not worried, I'm looking forward to this area here. We cannot continue forward until we clear this out at some point. But look at the daily chart. I think that is it. And who knows how much higher we can go, but realistically, that's probably going to be it. We might be able to shoot, you know, maybe another 50 points. That would be cool. I want to put some shares inside of here. So I'm going to put my stop loss here. Okay, so that's going to be my area. We're going to put 2 shares in here. So that is from 38 to 09 is around 19. I want to say, so 138 minus 109, 29. Okay, so we're at 29. I should have done that. Oh, there's supposed to be a buy order here. Dude, I've been so tired all day, and it's been terrible. I'm exhausted. I've been having like 4 hours of sleep every night, and I've been exhausted. And you can tell because I'm slurring my speech, which is not good. $29 points, $2 point, 58, and we can divide 500 by 58, and we have 8.6. So we can do 8.6. So let's stick with 8 at 38. Buy and keep. It says sell. We'll see. So you still have to keep it at 30 shares. You have to be 30 shares. Every 30 shares. Okay. It's not 30 shares. Every 30 points. That's 8. So that means every 40 points. No. Every 15 points is around 4. I want to see if I can get a wick down here. That'll be good. Well, we're not making new lows, so that's good. On anything. It looks like we want to jump up on ES, which is good. I might do 4s, increments of 4, because up there looks fantastic. To keep it, we're gonna go down a little bit. Gonna move this down just a bit. Down here, we just balanced out a volume imbalance on ES, and let's look at YM. YM, we're at equal highs. We're looking good. If we break above it, that'll be the difference, right? I'm not confident in that anymore. I'm not confident down here anymore. A lot of the market is looking up right now, and it might happen really any minute. What time is it? It's 9:25. Okay, we still have some time to balance this out. 5-minute chart. We're not seeing any fair value gaps in there. Got this one. That just looks perfect, man. Got it. We're in. 15-minute chart. I mean, we have a fair value gap there. We can expect to come down to around 140. That's where it was before, I swear, dude. There in the 15-minute chart. Should come down. Should come down. think I'm a bit more confident down here again. I'm gonna keep my loss here, stop loss. ES just broke above, made a new high, very nice. YM broke above, made a new high all morning, nice. We're looking very good upwards. But I do want to see these area come down. I want to see this. I want to see, if you look at the 15-minute chart, this is what I'm thinking about right here, right? That's what I'm thinking about. And that makes sense to me. So from this high to that low, we're going to hopefully see something come in here. That would be more than ideal. I have 154. I don't know. That'll secure a position at 142. That'll be fine. So we're making a lower high here. That means we're gonna come back down a little bit. Hopefully we're gonna see it come back down. ES coming down a little bit. YM still pushing up. ES did not want to come down. Yeah, ES is coming down. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Still coming down. Brad, filled out that fair value gap. Filled it out just now. I want to get a secured position. And 158, you might come down a bit more. That looks good. Okay, so on 15-minute chart, come down around 140. Would be good. Let's bring it up a little bit. I'm liking it. YM's pushing down just a little bit. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. So we're at 394. Where's 500? 500 is at 96. We'll be fine. We're not going to see down there. So I see it down here. Hopefully it'll come back down into there. That'll be more than ideal. But if it's at 300 down here, probably want to move this up. It's around 250. I like that. 66, 250. Another one. That's 8. So we cleared it out. We cleared out the volume imbalance exactly like I wanted it to. But we did not clear out the 15-minute. Actually, we did. We have just a tiny bit more to go. I think I'd be good if I do it around there. That's 50% of the fair value gap. I think I might miss it. My order is at 50% of the fair value gap. We should get it. We should get it. Come on, there it is. Nice. Okay. So we're gonna target the highs up here probably. Yeah, let's take another look at our loss. Risking $500 to 498. Should be down. It's okay. It wasn't as low as I'd like it to be, but that's alright because I kept moving my targets around, or my entries around. I'd like to see this area get hit again. And we'll do sell 4 and a little bit above, sell another 4. YM looks good. We do have one down there. If we do it, maybe, I'm not sure. Just hang around and see. Making lower highs, I'm not liking it. Looks good on the 15-minute though. 15-minute, we balanced it out. Looks like we're gonna make our way back up. Daily chart still looking very green. ES looks like we're going back up. We retested though, which is kind of expected to be honest. Pushing back up on ES. YM at the highs again. At the highs of all morning. We're not the overnight highs, but we are the morning highs, so that's good. Relative equal up until 3 a.m. last night. And we have ES pushing up above as well. We should be good for these equal highs for sure. We should be all right. What's that profit goal? What's the risk reward? 1 to 1.5. Okay. You don't want to see the 15-minute chart? See how perfect it looks? Dude, tell me about it, man. It looks crazy. Looks crazy. Really want to see this old high skin taken out. What I want to do is I want to see how far up this thing can go. I want to see how far this thing can go, but I also want to stick to me being a beginner and just take regular trades. I don't want to go for too much, you know. We're going to be around for a little while. Really want to see these things get taken out. It'd be awesome. Volume imbalance. Really want us to go up there before we take that out. Yeah, this should not be there. The volume imbalance should not be there. We can go ahead and move our stop loss up. It's getting weak up here for some reason. ES is getting a little weak up there too. YM pushed right above it, no problem. But ES is getting a little weak up there as well. I think the NASDAQ and ES are more closely related, or they move closer together than the YM does with either of the other ones. Yeah, that's alright. We've been here for a while. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Not liking it. I mean, if you're gonna sit there and not do anything for a while, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna wanna sit there, but Looks like we got another fair value gap in here. You could go for a long, but I don't know, that's fine with me. Made 849, 88. So get the performance center. We are gross 872.50. So two good trades. I mean, I think they were pretty good, honestly. I think they were pretty good. I don't know why I switched over. That was weird, but I think they were pretty good trades. I think I did well. I stick to the plan, all right? So I stuck to, excuse me, block drawings. So I stuck to the plan. Went up, right? Broke through these highs over here from previous to 730, previous 830 as well. And that giant jump from 830. Took out all the highs from previously, and came back into the fair value gap. Exactly what he talks about in the first couple of videos of in 2022. That happens, runs up, makes new highs up here, and it just looks good. I mean, I just didn't want to participate in this, kind of drawback. I kind of just want to take my profits out and sit there. That's what Apex has taught me, right? If you do business with Apex, you're gonna have to take your profits. But yeah, ES looks like we're gonna keep going up as well. But the day as a whole looks good. Could jump an hour. We could jump from 950 to 1050. We can leave and come back. But I don't want to do that because then if I want to trade again, I can't. Because my equity would be erased. It would be reset to 50. So we're gonna do it 200. I knew we were gonna do it. Dang. That's alright. That'll be okay. What day was April on? What day did April end? Latest date of April. Well, 30th. So 30th. April 30th. Okay. We broke 200. Hey, let's go. Very nice. So I think that's it for me for the day. Very happy with what happened here. Overall, I think that I did good. Let's do 15-minute chart because I mainly use the 15-minute charts. Looks so good, man. Holy cow. Fills in orders, so order lines. So let's do this. total was that's going to be the end of this video. I'm going to put in all of the data into the backtesting information on slides and on sheets, and we'll move on to the next day, the next recording.